Welcome all. This is our lecture 18 of the subject HTML and CSS programming. And in this lecture, we will cover the topic external document references. In the previous lecture, we have learned what is hyperlink, how can we link one page with another, and how can we jump from one particular location to another. In external document reference, we will learn then sometimes we have a situation then when we have to jump to a particular location of a particular web page. Okay, when we use simple hyperlinks, simple links, then after clicking on any hypertext, we will direct to the next page at the beginning of the next page. Okay, but if we need at sometimes and we must have to go to a particular location, so we will use document references for external document. This is called external document reference. For internal or within the same page, if the jump is required within the same page, then this is called as internal document reference. Internal document reference we will cover in the next video. For today, we have external document reference. As same, this is our previous example, our anchor tag, href attribute, and we will provide the file name where we want to go, we want to jump. Okay, and there is a requirement then the particular file name.html should be in the current working directory, means current folder. By default, a hyperlink takes a user to the beginning of the new web page. As I told you, at times it might be necessary to jump to a particular location within the new web page. To enable a jump to a specific location on a web page, named anchors can be set up. Anchors target hyperlink to a specific location point. To perform this particular task, we will perform two steps. The first one is we will mark that particular location with the attribute name of a anchor tag. Okay, we will mark that particular location by this step, and by the second step we will use that particular location, or we will jump to that particular location by using a simple code that is shown on your screen. Anchor tag, href attribute, this is the file name where we want to jump. We will use the symbol has, okay, without any space, and directly put the location name which we have mentioned. Okay, take the example as like a href file name.html. This is the file where we want to jump. Has point name is any location. Okay, click here. By click here, you will direct to a location that is called as point 1. Okay, now the things to be remember is on your screen, that ensure that the named location is specified in the HTML file where a jump is being made. It means where you are jumping, you have to perform the name attribute at that particular file. Okay, not in the current file. Okay, we will discuss this, we will learn, and we will see it in the live demo session. Then how can we perform it? Let's check this on our screen, that we have two files, that is with the name of demo and demo2, and these are in the same folder, current working directory. Okay, this is the code for demo, and this is the code form demo 2. We have prepared a web page with a large number of text, large amount of text, as it contains the information about some cricketers. Okay, and this is our current working file. Then what is the meaning of last note? This is our file. This will direct our page or our hypertext to the particular location. Then you will see I have not mentioned here the name attribute. It means this is our demo file. Check it. This is our demo file. Now we want to jump in demo 2. So this name attribute will be used here. It's like when we will jump to Virat Kohli 1, and the name should be unique. Okay, and one more thing you must remember, that you should not use any spaces between the name. Okay, the name will join a particular sequence of alphanumeric numbers or characters. Okay, just check it in the live session. We have this. Open with Chrome. Just look at this. This is our page, and the coding of this is here. Simply, we have arranged some names here, like click here for Virat, click here for Shubman. These are here. Okay. Now, if we click on Virat, this will go direct to the look at your screen, Virat Kohli. Okay, our screen or our web page will starting from here, but as we are clicking on Virat, then this will direct us to the Virat Kohli, not at the beginning of the web page. This is on your screen now. Check it. Like Ravindra, we will click. Like these are our visited tags, and these are unvisited tags. Okay, as I told you in the previous lectures, you can check these on live. Then this is here, Ravindra. It has directed us to directly top on the Ravindra, not on the Virat, not on the starting of the web page. Come on the Hardik, click here for Hardik. Now our Hardik is here, not at the beginning, of the web page. Okay, you will check this, and when you will click here for Sami, then this will direct to you to the Sami, that is here, Oman Sami. Why it's not going on the top? Because the page is ending here. The page is ending here, so it's not going to up. Okay, so to check the functioning of these, you must have a large amount of text. Prepare a web page with large amount of text. Okay, and check the functioning of this. So prepare notes and perform this in the lab. This is our external document reference.